the average company to find their next hire. Glassdoor can help you quickly find the right job candidate in half the resume. From 62 million job seekers, Glassdoor only matches you with qualified candidates who have the skills and experience your small business needs to grow. And Glassdoor hires are committed. They're 30% more likely to stay with your business longer. Go to glassdoor.com/hire. Glassdoor. Find the right fit for your business.
Trending now on News Radio 830 KHVH.
I'm John Matthews. Melissa Lau, widow of William Travis Lau, who died when an alleged drunk driver hit him and others in a Kakako intersection last week, testified before the legislature this morning. Lau testified in support of House Bill 703, which would allow judges to prohibit drunk drivers from purchasing or publicly consuming alcohol for 3 years after their conviction. Lau stated, quote, "I feel that hopefully this bill is going to be a step in the right direction to help prevent things like this from happening again," unquote. A bill that would legalize recreational marijuana in Hawaii is advancing in committee. The Senate Judiciary Committee giving a unanimous support this morning, sending that bill on to 2 other committees. The bill would allow medical dispensaries to sell pot products to people over the age of 21 with a 15% tax for the state. The earliest the bill could become law is if it clears all the hurdles. It would be about 2 years from right now. A judge rejecting a request by the state's tax department to subpoena Airbnb records from thousands of vacation rental owners. The judge saying the state did not meet the legal threshold of subpoena power. Hawaii News Now is saying that the state attorney general says Airbnb admits that its Hawaii hosts aren't complying through state tax laws. There's an estimated 3,700 illegal vacation rentals. Key West is following Hawaii's example in banning sunscreens harmful to coral. The Guardian in Key West reporting that the Key West Commission voted this week to ban the sale of sunscreens containing chemicals that are said to harm coral reefs beginning in the year 2021. And north and west facing Hawaii shores are going to see a lot of big waves this weekend. The National Weather Service reports that a powerful low pressure system is coming, and that's going to produce big swells along north and west facing shores throughout this weekend. From the News Radio 830 KHVH News Center, I'm Jeb Matthews.
More trending local and national news at KHVHradio.com.
The hottest economy, unemployment, the lowest ever. America is again winning.
2 years down.
We are just getting started.
2 more years to go.
I will get it built.
And before you know it,
The 2020 U.S. election
get in office.
What's going to happen
Because the State of the Union
is strong.
happens right here.
Each and every day.
News Radio 830 KHVH. The Mitsubishi AC Weather Center.
A couple of scattered showers overnight with lows around 66. Tomorrow, beautiful Friday sunshine, highs near 83. Strong winds, though, for this weekend.
This report is brought to you by SOS Children's Villages. War, poverty, and disaster have left millions of children around the world orphaned, abandoned, alone. When their parents can't be there, SOS Children's Villages is there in 134 countries, including the U.S. To make a difference in a child's life, go to sosusa.org.
The Joe Pag Show. To talk to Joe, call 888-941-PAG. And now, it's Joe Pag.
All right, great radio stations across the land, joepags.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, email, it's all right there.